Bonjour! In this lesson, we're going to be talking about simple questions. In the coming section, we're going to be talking about different ways to make questions. So this is sort of the introduction to how to make those questions. So let's begin. So you can make a question with the word qui, which means who. So for example, qui est votre ami? Qui est votre ami? Who is your friend? Qui est le personnage dans le film? Who is the character in the movie? Quand, which means when, quand est votre anniversaire? When is your birthday? Quand est votre anniversaire? And you'll notice that with quand, when it's quand by itself, the end is pronounced like a D sound, like a D. When quand comes before a vowel, such as in quand, the D changes to a T sound. So quand est votre anniversaire? Or quand est la fête? So when is the party? Quand est la fête? And then when it comes before a regular consonant, it'll be quand with the D sound again. Où, which means where. Où est le Canada? Where is Canada? Où est le supermarché? Où est le supermarché? Where is the supermarket? Qu'est-ce que? What is? ... So you have to fill in the ... So for example, we have qu'est-ce qu'un chien? What's a dog? Qu'est-ce qu'une chaise? What's a chair? And you'll notice that this is slightly different from English because in this question there's actually no verb. So we have qu'est-ce que, which just means what usually, and then we have un chien, which is a dog. So literally we would have what a dog. So the verb is implied. So qu'est-ce qu'un chien, which would translate as what's a dog or what is a dog. So that's all that we have. So we have qui, quand, où, and qu'est-ce que. Which are four very important ways to make very simple questions. So practice it and see what you come up with and then test it out and then move on to the next lesson where we'll be talking about yes or no questions. So we'll see you there. À bientôt.